Hello everybody, this is Thomas with Homesteading Bartram Style. Today is the day for the review on the OppsDecor56 Egg Incubator. This machine I bought about a month or so back. I've had a chance to put a complete run of eggs through for hatching, and I'm about to tell you the good, the bad, and if there is any ugly, I'll let you know. So basically this unit, the control panel, simple as can be to use. Buttons are really simple. The instructions that comes with this machine are absolutely awesome. As far as the abilities of the machine, the temperature is displayed in centigrade. There is no changing it to Fahrenheit whatsoever. Machine will keep the temperature absolutely perfect. If you notice, I've got it sitting in the styrofoam packing that it came with. I leave that in it because it's plastic. Plastic dissipates heat fairly quickly in the open moving air. So if you set it in this, you will use less energy keeping the incubator hot up to temperature, and you will also get a better outcome altogether. Now, next point on this is that the menu does have an option to change the temperature, both the physical temperature of the unit, and it has an offset. So if you put a digital human thermometer in there, after you've got it set up and ready, you can check the temperature of the machine using it, and as long as it gets to the 100.1, 100.5 range, you are golden with this thing. I set mine on the outside edge. It is a moving air incubator. The heater is in the bottom of this thing. You're able to see everything going on up here with the eggs at all times. No obstruction from heaters or anything else, so it makes a great first-time incubator for people that want to watch their chicks hatch, or even for a classroom. Now, the plastic case comes on and off real simple. You lift and take it off. It has a groove all the way around that sets in a track on the machine, on the plastic. We'll set it to the side. This machine has, as you see, these plastic cups for the eggs. You can hatch nearly any egg that will fit in this cup, right down to quail eggs and even smaller if you needed to. The front mechanism, this is all like a nylon plastic, these cups and the holders. They lift up out of the machine fairly simple. Takes just a couple minutes to lift it up and get it out. Over here is your humidity sensor as well as temperature sensor. And there's a secondary that's below, another hygrometer sensor. You have two channels around this thing for water. The heater sits right in the middle of it. When you're running it in the first 18 days, you only want water in the outside channel to begin with, bringing the humidity up around the 50 to 60 mark. The last 3 to 4 days of incubation, where the eggs are sitting in lockdown, the secondary channel is where you want to make sure you've got water as well to bring up the humidity as close to about 75 or 80% as you can get it. Depending on the time of year, it's easier said than done sometimes. The incubator itself worked flawlessly for me. The bad. I've had to make a couple modifications to the machine in order to make sure that my next hatch does not have problems. When my chicks hatched, the eggs was sitting on a plastic nylon mat that comes in the machine, which is screwed down. underneath the holders. At the very back of the machine, the nylon was bowed slightly, and because of that, I had a chick that actually fell down through the crack back here and into the water channel and perished. So what I ended up having to do was take a piece of PVC pipe and drill holes through it till the mounting studs for the plastic would sit through it, but it would hold it up in place. Works perfectly for that. Up here in the front, when you take these out, it leaves a gap as well that is just a little too wide for small chicks. A piece of 3/4 inch PVC pipe cut to fit between here and here sets in there. The chicks can't move it because it sits down in the little groove. All is well and fine because of that. The machine itself otherwise rotated perfectly. Everything about this machine, I can't give it enough props otherwise, other than the mat having the issue back at the back side. If they would have had a mounting stud come up from the bottom in the middle back there, it would have been probably flawless. And the front should have came with some kind of a little flap that you could put in there during lockdown. But it's an easy fix. It takes literally 2 minutes or 3 to take care of both issues. The back one may be a little more complicated for some people because, you know, having to drill the hole through the PVC pipe, it can be a pain. Now, as far as cleanup on this thing, that mat comes out with 6 screws, or 8 screws actually, 2 in each corner, and it pops out. Clean it good. The machine itself, you can take it straight to the sink, clean all the debris out of it, and actually clean it really well with hot soapy water. It's exactly what I did, and I am now actually getting ready in just a few moments to go ahead and set some more eggs. I've got some eggs from Black Copper Morans. These are a Greenfire product, Greenfire Farms, and they are really nice eggs. Just got those in, and I'm tickled to death to get ready to set them again. So I will report back to you all if I have any issues more than what I've already had with the unit. I don't expect there to be any more problems. Now, if you all like these types of videos, be sure to hit the subscribe button down there at the bottom for me, and I can send you notifications every time I upload that way. So till next time, y'all have a great day.